Hi guys. This is a video on my final project for CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. In this video, I like to show how the app works and about features available. This is a WhatsApp-like app where you can chat with others. I have named this app as WhatsApp Button. To use the application, a user must log in. If the user is new, he must register to log in. The crispy and Django tweaks adds beauty to the forms neatly. This is the home page of the application. Main page shows logged in user and the friends or so-called recipient list. Any logged in user can update their profile picture as shown here. This functionality is made by the help of a Django add-on. We can chat with any user by clicking on them from the recipient list. We can send text with a limit of 10,000 words per message. We can send audio files and preview them. Sending images, videos, and PDFs is also another feature of this application. We can send emojis as well. Each message got its timestamp on real time. Now let's log in as the recipient and see how we got the messages. Another feature of this app is that the sender's and recipient's profile image is attached to each and every message sent or received. A user can also delete a message if he wants. I have not used any WebSocket or any other third-party extension in this application. I hope to upgrade the app with some more features. Please, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.